So here we have the 511 Scout Tanto. I got it for $24.99 at the Survival Store. Also 8 stainless steel liner lock J10 handle. I will admit, when I first saw it, I thought that handle looked really weird, but I can imagine now, after handling the LMC model, that it's probably very comfortable. So this is what I was talking about in the other video. The way they have it packaged, I cannot tell how well the liner lock is set up, the position. Not the end of the world, but it's something for me to note. So, okay, now that I got it in hand, yes, that handle is very comfortable. There is a smell. I'm smelling the handle. It smells like the other knife. It smells like army surplus or military equipment that's been sitting. It's just got that smell that reminds me of my dad's bags when he would come back from work or in the field. So it has good, no side, if there's any side play, I'm just going to say there's no side-to-side play. I think that's just my hand, because it's very minute, and it's probably my hand. No side, I'm not getting high on it. No side-to-side play, no up and down play. Jumping there, very reminiscent as far as this part of a Spyderco. Very different take on the Tanto. Good lockup. Fairly centered. Does not flick out. It does have brass washers, so I don't know if it just needs to be broken in. This one does have, you can put the clip on both sides, left and right carry, tip up or tip down. It comes tip down, right hand side, but if you put it on the tip up, it leaves a lot of that handle butt sticking up. Yeah, I guess it's a choil. It's got some jimping on it. Got to be real careful on this one. The LMC had a really nice finger choil. But yeah, $25. That's a pretty decent looking knife. Auxate steel, G10 scales. Definitely lightweight, but you can just tell it's a better quality than the FRN. Anyway, there you go. The 511 or 511 Tactical Scout Tanto.